Welcome to our jalebi factory. Today, we'll show you how we make crispy, sweet jalebis, from the finest ingredients to your table.
We need to bring down the temperature on reactor 3.
Decreasing the set point now, the levels are normalizing.
The alignment on the third axis seems slightly off.
Yes, let's adjust the feed rate here.
Better, it's running smoothly now.
The viscosity is still too high. Adjust the flow rate.
Typing in the new parameters now. Looks stable. The concentration is reading a little high on the refractometer.
Okay, I'll adjust the timing down by 2 milliseconds. That should stabilize it.
Look at the temperature differential here.
I'm adjusting the primary valve now. Readings are stabilizing.
Look at this fluctuation on the tensile strength graph right here.
Yeah, I see that. Rerunning the diagnostic sequence now.
The seals look good on this one.
Confirmed. The label matches the manifest.
check looks fine on this one.
What about the tear on the shrink wrap here?
Noted. I'll flag it in the system before we move on.
Thank you for joining us on this journey from raw ingredients to your favorite sweet treat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stories from our factory.